So here we are given the distance between Dhaka and Tangail is 45 miles, and the velocity of Karim is given as 3 miles per hour and Rahim as 4 miles per hour. And Rahim started from Tangail towards Dhaka 1 hour after Karim started from Dhaka. So we need to find the distance when Rahim and Karim will meet. So we assume this is the total distance. So this is Dhaka and this is Tangail, and this total distance is 45 miles. It is given. Now Karim started 1 hour earlier. So that means if Karim started from Tangail, so he crossed, suppose this distance in 1 hour. So as his velocity is 3 miles per hour, so in 1 hour he actually crossed 3 miles. So it's like 3 miles per hour into he crossed in 1 hour, so it will be 3 miles. So this distance is 3 miles. So this distance is 42 miles. We just simply subtract this 3 from 45. So now Karim is here and Rahim is here, and they started now together at the same time. And now we assume like in this place, like in this x distance, they will meet together. So if this is x, so this will be 42 minus x. Now the velocity of Karim is 3 miles per hour, and we know the equation is equal to Vt. And here we don't know the s, but we assume this as x, and we know the v because both of the v's are given, and we also don't know the t, but what we know is like when they meet, the time for them will be same. So for Rahim, when he will cross this distance, if the time is t, the same time is needed for Karim also to come from here to here. So for Rahim, we can write as Rahim is equal to 4, as his distance is 4, his velocity is 4 miles per hour, and t, and 4t is equal to this distance is x, and t is equal to x by 4. It's for Rahim. And for Karim, what we can write, sk is 3 into t, or 3t will be, so the distance Karim crossed is 42 minus x, so it will be 42 minus x by 3. And now this time will be same, this t and this t will be same, so we can write x by 4 is equal to 42 minus x by 3. And so we will multiply, so 3x will be 42 into 4 minus 4x, so it will be 7x is equal to 42 into 4, x will be 42 into 4 by 7, so it will be 6, so 24 miles, and that's our answer.